Hello viewers, welcome to this week's episode of Raxio Hour. We bring you all the latest news happening at Uganda's first Tier 3 and truly neutral enterprise-grade world-class data center facility. We also had a chat with Bandwidth and Cloud Services Group, BCS, who recently signed as local carrier fiber partners to extend their network to Raxio Data Centre. We let you in on our conversation via Zoom as we speak about the significance of this partnership.
Yonas Maru, I'm the founder and managing director of BCS Group Holdings, which is headquartered in Mauritius. BCS Group provides data transmission services for mobile operators and internet service providers in Eastern and Central Africa. We are licensed and operational in Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda, Congo, and Zambia. Uganda is actually our home market, the first market that we started with about 10 years ago, and is still the market where we have the largest amount of fiber infrastructure and contributes to the most to the group's revenues. BCS provides for the mobile operators and internet service providers 3 different types of services. We provide wholesale internet, leveraging our direct shareholdings in the Team's undersea fiber cable. We provide city-to-city transmission services where we carry circuits from different cities in Uganda and East and Central Africa, as well as Europe, and deliver them to the operators. And we also provide fiber connectivity to mobile towers, as well as some of the operators' enterprise customers. BCS Group is the largest owner of fiber infrastructure in Uganda, with almost 5,000 kilometers of fiber of its own fiber in the country. We connect all of the major cities as well as a lot of the rural within Uganda, leveraging about 4,100 kilometers of long-haul fiber. We also have about 800 kilometers of metro fiber in Uganda. About 500 of that is in the Kampala and Entebbe area, recently launched. It connects, that metro fiber infrastructure connects about 800 mobile towers onto fiber of the operators in the country. In addition, we have outside of Kampala and Entebbe, we have about 300 kilometers of metro fiber and 7 largest cities in Kampala within Uganda: Fort Portal, Arua, Masaka, Mbarara, Jinja, Mbale, and Tororo. And we also are launching a wholesale version so that the operators can use that and that metro fiber infrastructure to connect their enterprise customers. We extended our fiber infrastructure to the Raxio Data Centre as Raxio is going to be the first commercial data center in Uganda, and data centers are a critical part of the ecosystem for the fiber business that we are in. We expect most of the mobile operators that are our customers to have have taken up co-location space there. We expect the international content service providers such as Google and Facebook to take up space in the data center. And we also expect some of the banks and other large enterprises in the country to take up space in the data center. So as a result, it's a key hub for originating our data transmission services, as well as terminating those services at the data center. So as a result, as the first commercial data center in the country, we have to be present there. Our key customer segments are mobile operators and internet service providers, and international content providers such as Facebook, Google, Amazon, Microsoft. The main services will be present at that data center is basically our regional connectivity, including some unique routes from Uganda into Congo, where we have laid 2 different submarine cables under Lake Albert and have 4 different connections from Uganda into Eastern DRC. We have 2 different fiber connections into Rwanda, as well as another 2 into South Sudan, and 3 different unique routes for the connection from the data center in Kampala through to Nairobi, as well as the submarine landing stations in Mombasa. So these would be the service offerings that we expect to take up, both to get wholesale internet as well as point-to-point connectivity to other data centers in the region and other markets in the region, as well as the submarine landing stations at the coast. We are very glad that UIXP will be present at the Raxio Data Centre. UIXP is very critical to make sure that inter-Uganda traffic stays within Uganda, which speeds up and improves the quality of communication within Uganda, as well as reduce costs and reduce the forex requirements for international capacity in the country. To date, UIXP has been deployed in what I would call a makeshift environment within Kampala. So the move of UIXP into a professional data center such as Raxio, we expect it will enable it to provide upgraded peering services for the operators among themselves, and really increase the data and traffic that is staying within Uganda. We congratulate the Raxio team on the pending successful launch of their data center. They have worked very hard at it. Being an entrepreneur, as a fellow entrepreneur, I do know that launching businesses in our Africa environment, from funding to execution to customer, is a big challenge. So we congratulate Raxio team to have overcome those challenges and successfully launch, and we wish them the best of luck and growth in the business. BCS Group is very much present there to partner with Raxio and increase the value of the data center that it provides to its customers.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us on our social media platforms at Raxio UG on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn for more exciting updates. Until next time, sanitize, wear your mask, maintain social distancing and stay safe.